This is the Welland Canal. More specifically, this is Lock 3, and the camera is looking south down towards Lake Erie. Between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, there is a difference of 99.5 meters, which is 326.5 feet in water level. With a distance of 43.4 kilometers, which is 27 miles, there is 8 locks in place. And today, I'm by lock number 3. Each lock has a size of 233.5 meters, which is 766 feet long, with a breast of 24.4 meters, which is 80 feet wide, with the exception of Lock 8, which is down in Port Coburn. It is these 8 locks that allow ships to traverse between the two lakes, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. The MV Thunder Bay is a Trillium-class lake freighter which gracefully plies the water of the Great Lakes, connecting vital trade routes. So let's look into the key features of this impressive ship. Thunder Bay is 225.5 meters, which is 739 feet and 10 inches, with a beam of 23.76 meters, which is 77.11 feet. She has a maximum draft of 9 meters, 29 feet and 6 inches, and her gross tonnage is 24,430 tons. She is a workhorse transporting bulk commodities such as iron ore, coal and grain. Its self-unloading system allows efficient discharge at various ports, ensuring timely deliveries. I'm trying to look at the draft there. Looks like she's at 7.8. Her bridge is just coming to view now on the right side of your screen. And the bow is now going to disappear from your screen. There's a siren for the Glendale Bridge, and I'll be going up very shortly. That's a nice looking bridge up there, I like that. It's a nice looking ship. Oh, she's leaning over. She's just leaned over to the right. That was really weird to see that. She's coming back up. You see that? Wow. I don't know how that well showed on the camera, but there she goes again. She's leaning to starboard. And now it's coming back up. That's kind of cool. I mean, she is very full after all. Oh, it's weird to watch because I can actually just see it going left to right, left to right. Very slowly, it's weird. There she goes, she's making that turn. That's probably why she's doing that. That little increments of turning. Alright, that is it for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back in the near future with another video for you of ships coming through the Welland Canal, and also on Lake Erie as well. Until the next time, stay safe and keep ship watching.